Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch Beast Game on an Amazon Prime Video using an iPhone. Let's get started. Beast Games is a popular show created by Mr. Beast. It features big challenges, exciting games, and huge prizes, and it's available on Amazon Prime Video. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Type Beast Game or Beast Games in the search bar, then tap on the show when it appears. On the show page, tap play to start watching. You can also choose an episode if there are multiple episodes available. Make sure you have a strong internet connection or Wi-Fi for smooth streaming. And that's it. To watch Mr. Beast Game, you need to activate Amazon Prime Video subscription. Once subscribed, you can enjoy the show anytime on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.